Hey, Anthony Stalter from 101 ESPN here, and you guys know that I love AutoCenters Nissan Herculaneum. I got my friend Wiggity right here. Wiggy just dropped off my brand new Nissan Rogue. Love it in the Stalter family. We got 3 kids, plenty of space in the Rogue. Love the big back trunk there. I love the navigation that it has. If, for some reason on the highway, I'm getting a little over too far, it'll signal me. I love everything about the new Nissan Rogue, and you're going to love going to AutoCenters Nissan Herculaneum. Over 700 vehicles, all in one location. They got the 30-day new car return promise. They're so confident you're going to love your new ride, whether it's a new Nissan Rogue or maybe a Pathfinder, that they give you 30 days to bring it back, full refund if there's any issues with it. Complimentary 1-year maintenance on new Nissans and complimentary warranty on new Nissans and some used vehicles as well. So check them out in Herculaneum. Over 700 vehicles. You're going to love it. Wiggity loves it.